I took a career break to care for my mum with Alzheimer's dementia about 2 years ago. Recently, she had to transition to residential care. During my journey, I went through probably all the emotions that a carer goes through, and really went from just doing the role of a carer to identifying as a carer. As someone who was quite digitally literate, I really struggled. So when I would go to support groups, I would hear a lot of the same challenges and complexities that I faced. So really have tried to build something around helping others navigate the system. But at the end, I really just wanted to bring it back to everyone's needs are different, and it's not a one size fits all. Because when you're engaging with carers, they will all have different things that they're focused on, or that they're worried about, or how you have to get them engaged in research. And so you need, above all, to have like the flexibility and the awareness to engage with them on different levels and have a really unique perspective. Even though you're completing the same research with them, with a group of people, they all might need different approaches to keep them engaged along the journey.